And hello everyone. So this was a little bit of a mess. There's 20 minutes trying to set up like a new thing. That didn't work, so came back to just YouTube, which is fine for me. I'll have to figure that one out. And okay, today we're back with our Visual Studio Code with the build the Phoenix thing. So we'll be doing the pages for viewing and deploying it finally. So I'll just quickly set up here. Okay, and coding. Here we go. So I'm Nicholas. This is my site, what I've deployed today to have something running. So hopefully it's just a landing page for now at the moment. And I might clean it up a little bit, but I wanted to have something else because before that it was a site that I just launched. So I wasn't really paying attention too much for this. So it's like super nice responsive and looks very nice. I like it. So wait, I'm doing it wrong. Here. And here's the, come on. You can do it like this. Yeah, it's nice, responsive, green, a lot of greenery. This is a character that I had made for me ages ago, and I never had a chance to use it properly. So now I'm happy that I can finally do it. Okay, let's get on to our stream. And okay, we can turn this off. We can turn this off. Turn this off, and let's do localhost 4000. Is it? No, it's HTTP. Open up. Okay, so we have the suggest form, and we have these technologies. So I need help from people in Elixir community to do this, to help me out with this. But it is what it is at the moment, and I'll change how this looks a little bit. So we have the technology. So like what if we do now is let's create a few sites for ourselves so we can play around with it. So at least the full one. So I'll fill out something that I shouldn't do is a personal website, but it's local, so it's fine. We'll playing around. So it is HTTPS, then nicolas.com. And let's select the file. This will be a favicon, let's say 512 by 500, so 192. And let's create a quick screenshot. Let's go here. Let's go to responsive mode. Let's enter 1920, 1080. That's not nice. But it is what it is. Because we need that. What if I made this smaller? No? Okay. 1920. It is what it is. 1080. I need to really make this so it works on that scale. Okay. Then we go to console, Control-Shift-B, take screenshot, capture screenshot. And okay, so we have the screenshot now. Let's do the meetcolors.com. Okay, public. I know this because cool. I don't. Nothing is private. I just want to make sure that I'm not showing this text as well. Sites, let's have a like just a marco.ch https And microsize HTTPS octafest, octafest.com, HTTPS built with Phoenix. Okay, so let's just it uses Liveview, open membrane, and X. It uses all the technologies, right? First name, last name. Okay, and let's do the okay, suggested. So now if we go to organizations, I need to approve this one. Approve. Okay. And we can delete these two. Oh, something went wrong. Let's have a look at what goes wrong. Valid for you would leave records behind. Oh, I need a relationship on delete nothing, right? On delete, on delete nothing. Organizations. References on delete. Default destroy. What's the references thing? Ash skew. Okay, references. What's this? Where does it go? Okay. References. Technologies. On delete. Date, name, comments to delete, nullify, nothing. Resources are configures on delete behavior. For polymer first configures the on delete behavior of the automatically regenerated E2 source tables. Post on delete, date, comments, posts to F key, relationship atom, ignore, on delete, delete, this variable. If set to true, no reference is created for the given relation. This is useful if you need to define in some custom what should happen to records of this resource when the reference record of the destination source is deleted. Nullify. Nothing. What should happen to the records of this resource when the reference record of the destination resource to the record of this resource? Delete? I mean, let's try this out. Delete. Name for a key to generate in a database defaults to table with key. I wonder how that works. Okay. Let's try this and see if I just will delete this all. Okay, something's wrong. Let's refresh. Warning, advanced load actions for component. There's no such import. References, there's no such import. Reference. Like that, so it's Axiolite. This is not Axiolite, I need okay, references. Axiolite. Hash progress things references. So the previous use hash for references. Info. Okay, references. Just, no, that's nice. Configure. Ash still has a lot of it. I think this is it's nice that Zach will most likely be focusing on this, making sure these things are nice. And so now Ash data layer info. Ash data layer Ash host data layer Ash Postgres. Let's see how does that work. References, nothing. Ref using it, unite rich configuration options. Topics. How to, about, actions, destroy actions. Let's have a look. Destroy. Pull the stream. Okay. Destroy actions. Actions advanced. Development. Reference. Resources. Ash Postgres. References. References. Post and delete. Date, name. Sections. This is the same, right? I suppose we need this in here. Organization technology. Reference and delete. Reference technology and delete. Reference organization. Delete. Do I need it here? Let's have a look. Of course, undefined function. There is no such import. Reference. Here. Why? Okay. Organization. Suppose it's fine. Okay, we can't delete things, but we can most likely hide them. I'll figure this one out later. Don't want to waste time. Slot actions, okay. Delete. will be decline. In the form, let's just go to show handle params ID, show organization index, decline. Decline, so that at least we can change the status, right? Handle event decline. Let's do the same thing. Decline. We can do this. Let's create an action decline. Organization. And when we have approve and decline. Which is gonna be declined. Approve, decline. Okay. So at least we can change this. Delete, decline. I don't really care much about this at the moment. So we're doing what we're doing. Okay. Now I want to set this up so it looks a little bit nicer. And that we have the show thing happening as well. Which is gonna be this. So we'll have the show live. So just live, and well, we'll have the home live organization card. We're keeping this organization for now because I want to do this. At least that we know. Let's take it out of here and put it in a README. Organization card. Let's just do Lily. Yep. Organization card. And then let's do URL. Yeah, organization. Okay. Hey people. To organization. URL. Preview. Here we go. Clean up a little bit. Clean up. That's it. So now on clicking this, let's set up a show organization live show. Can copy this here. Show organization dot live, and then we can make this build Phoenix change Pascal, and okay. So now we have to show organization live, and we'll figure this out as we go along. Yes, organization. Organization get by ID, ID, organization, and that's just the page title. Hello, hello. We'll inspect organization. This is not going to work at the moment, but it might do. Organization. Let's add a action read by the read. I think it's I have this in Octopus. And page actions read by ID. Yeah. And then organization ID define read ID. What's the arguments code interface? KV code interface action. Here we go. Code interface get by user ID. Get by ID action get by ID args ID get true. What do you mean? Interface hash the cell code interface. Here we go. Hash guide code interfaces. Resources, resource ticket should open on the resource. Define open args ID. Yeah, this one is nice. Let's stand up a little bit. A little bit. Oh, okay. Calculations, resource, define calculation. Define calculation, bulk actions, stomach of this. Okay, so code interface open. Get true. Maybe this doesn't need to be here. Is it args? Args. Get by user ID. Args. And missing is get by ID. By ID. Read. Oh, this is fine. Fuck me. Well, this was annoying just because of this. Yep, but that's life for you. By ID, get true, get by ID. So now we have this. This is working. Show, we don't care. Page title is organization name. Name? Name. Name. Attributes. We all are public. Okay, we don't need this since we are not using it. And we don't need most of this. P list. Let's just remove like all of this. And then do list UL just to show something, right? Le okay. Now I think we can do this, do this. We deleted the UL, but it's fine. UL. Okay, header. Don't care about this. PH render. Source organization, organization live. Let's go to our routers, router, and we have organization ID show. So we show this organization's ID. So here will be admin. Admin. And can have a look at all the organizations ID. Patch. Here we go. All of this will be just admin. Admin. And then here it's also going to be admin. Okay. And when we have organization ID. And this is going to be not show, but this is going to be the show organization live. And no action needed here. And live. I suppose it wouldn't need to be even live for this, but it is what it is. Okay. And we need to actually link to this. And that's going to be in home live. Let's do URL. Organization card. Organization card. Where is this? Oh, this is in build. Home live. Using card. So this is gonna be link dot, and this is navigate URL. So URL is gonna be not this, but it's gonna be P, and it's gonna be organization And then it's gonna be ID. ID. So we need to pass in the ID. URL, not so much. ID. Yes. Variable. Yes. Correct. That is correct. Signs ID. What do you mean that doesn't sign? I'll have a look in the router. Organizations. Thank you for being here. ID not found. So what we need is organization ID. Here we go. Minus ID. Okay, so now, awesome. Amazing. Okay, so now let's have a look at the build with Laravel. When we go into any of these. Oh, did you see that? That was a beautiful, beautiful. Oh, so suppose what is it not changing the URL? But it is changing the URL. Oh, suppose that's just going back here. So just goes here. Suggestions create. No, I didn't. Yeah, suppose. Yeah. Okay. We'll add this little thing as well because now the site is live. Made by Nicholas. Okay, so now I think what we need to do is suggest live. So we need to have this in the root thing. Layouts. And we'll make this components layouts app. So we'll go into home, live, home live, hero, div footer. Defined function footer. I mean, not, is footer not in, okay, because footer is here. We need to have it in the core components, Session card, hero, footer, and not def, but just def. And let's, yeah, no, we're not gonna do this anymore. Link navigate. Href about. If not suggesting, I suppose, yeah. Let's just make it simple, stupid. And then, oh, that's, yeah, whatever. Take this. Ah, I wanted to have it visible. I'll put it off. Oh, no. Sorry. And folks, and okay. Desktop. So where did my screenshot go? There we go. I'll put it off to the side so you don't need to really see it. I mean, I can show it. It's not a problem. Okay. Let's close this one. So now this is gonna be just a div, no hero, no classes here, as we're going the, here we go. So about is here, suggest about here. Awesome. And then suggest is also suggest live, hero suggesting. Suppose we can reduce one layer of nesting. Yep, that's nice. I mean, there's no need why we wouldn't have. So just home. Yeah, I'll make it just home. All technologies. Hero. Components. Hero. Home. Let's just make it home. It makes more sense than about. So this one will stay on all of them because it's me. Okay. At the moment, don't care too much about the card. I want this to look nicer. Can go from memory. Suggest home live, and it's gonna be show live. So let's do empty. What's the home live? MT12. Class 12. Okay. Grid gap. Whatever this is. So let's just put MT12. We'll need more things here, so let's just do this. You don't need this back thing, as you just have the home button. We need to show the ID. Rel is fine. Images are fine. Okay, so now let's do so. Grid. MD grid. I suppose grid calls, yeah. Grid fill calls. No, actually we want a different kind of grid. MD grid calls. It's gonna be, let's say, 300 pixels and 1 FR. And then say hello. Class big red. And another one is gonna be yeah, blue. Blue. Okay. Let's add a nice gig gag md gag 12. Okay. So now list organization name. We have this right in the suggest live section form. That's a nice thing. Let's make this a header. Core components. Header. Text header. Text leading. And render slot class. I'll make this a text header dot header. Text header. That's still fine. And I suppose we can do this for the slide. True. True. What is here? Okay, text header is the thing. Do with this guy, text header. Dot text home. Okay. Visit site. It's gonna be here. So let's do aspect video. And then image source. Organization image. And okay, that's fine. Aspect video. Suppose, yeah, that's nice. We can do class rounded. So, yep, that's still here. And maybe do a shadow drop, shadow MD. So it's a little bit off the page. And do relative. We can do the button here. Okay, so now let's do, so we don't show this here. Let's do extra sites. Will pra just work? Class text pretty break all break. Normal break all. Wrap normal word break normal. So now text font sans. And let's do font semi-bold. Okay, let's do P. Just the P. And let's do extra size. Okay, let's remove the background here. Plus grid gap 4. Oh, let's This is pushing it off. At the moment, I think it's just going to be pushing it off. Max V full overflow trunk hidden. So that shouldn't be overflowing. Min v 0 somewhere. Min v 0. Min v 0, min v 0. We'll be adding this everywhere. Min v 0. Overflow hidden. Max v full 0. What's causing the overflow now? Okay, break normal. Let's just do this for all of them. Suppose image we remove because we already have the image. Okay, so that fills in a little bit nicer. And this text header class flex items center flex wrap gap 4 2, and then let's do image source is at position logo, and let's do now this class h12 12 do a little wrapper just so you can see it. So it's PG white rounded border P1 P1 2. Okay, that looks nice. So you have the logo, you have the site. We don't need this anymore. Usage cool. Yeah. And let's do, how do we use Phoenix extra sites? This one is just like normal, semi-bold. Let's do pre as well. So I suppose that's just message public, because we're saving it as that. Show it as that. Let's see how this looks on the far. Why is it not breaking? Min v 0. Here we go. Much nicer. And now we'll do this. Row span start 1 the row auto start row start auto or start auto. Yeah, so we have this nicer. We need a gap. Suppose we can just keep the gap. Yep. That's nice. And let's do P. Suppose we don't need, right, this information. Preview. Use Laravel. We don't currently have links to any publicly accessible sites or apps known to users. Do we? How do we know we use Laravel? How do we know we use Phoenix? Phoenix. A short description. Suppose so it's okay. So we don't need these two things, I think. It's fine. It's fine. And then let's do a two. So a href organization URL. URL. Visit web site. Visit website class. Let's go to Tailwind UI. Tailwind UI. Something cool. Code pen. Search. Cool button. Button with an arrow. With an arrow? Yeah, stuff like this. Send. And it's our color theme as well. We can use this. Yeah, it's a nice little. Okay, fa. Okay, I can just do this myself. Hero icons, chevron, arrow, right. Купил выжи. Span. Visit website. Yep. And visit website. Flex items center. P X4. 6 PY free BG orange primary. Under text white transition over G primary 700. Flex item center gap to something like this. Size 6 current color. Oh, let's have a look. Two. Visit website. That's nice. It's nice. It's very nice. Did it in the wrong LI. Wrong LI. Oh, no, I did not. I did not do it in the wrong one. Shall we do a little bit of rounding? I suppose we are doing rounding. Rounding. Rounded. Rounded MD. Visit website. Nice little. Too much. Here we go. And then justify between. That's nice. It's nice. Very nice. But we want this to have a little bit more of extra space, so px4. Yeah, a little bit more room to breathe. And I suppose here grid gap 8. Let's give it some space. Oh, what's this? Okay, so we have this li text header. Oh, we just have an empty thing here. That's why. Okay, okay. And this one needs a bit more room. PT, let's say another 8 to breathe. 6, 4. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. And I suppose we can add a little bit more later down the line. And I'll put the about only in the home because this one is too much, right? And I'll clean these cards up a little bit, so it looks nicer. Nice to have like a description. Okay, anyway, so layout. Layout doesn't need, oh, it's like app. HTML hitch. It doesn't need this one, right? Doesn't need this one. This is only needed in the home. Live. Yeah, about. We'll change these to be a little bit different. So we can go just to suggest live. Suggest live. Let's go to have the form. Cover photo. Okay, so form. Let's just copy everything, and we'll want to copy validate also. But we'll change this to do this, all technologies. All technologies should reset. I'll have a look. Okay. Oh, that's wrong. Handle event, select technology, remove technology. So that I will not need this anymore. So it's gonna be handle event toggle. Technologies, and I'll do params. We'll figure this out. Params. Inspect params, and then assign, suppose form. This will be the form, right? So let's go to suggest live. Fold all. Get file. Pre-sign uploads. Mount. Okay. Sign form. Do we care? We don't really care about this. Suppose we need the value, right? We need the value. What do we care about the value? Could be just selected technologies, right? For all we care, we have the technologies. We need to have the selected. So yeah, quickly I'll just do something. It keeps popping up. Okay, so selected technologies is an empty array, and let's just have a look at that button. Let's have a look at this form. Okay, we don't need most of these things. Check group. And then we don't need this. This. Need this. Field we don't need. Do we need the field? Suppose we just need the ID. Where did my form go? Yep, Y8. Form technologies. Check group. Let's have a look. Inputs. Science value. So we need the value. What do we need? He need an ID, name, label, value. So we need the ID and label. Type we have. Field is something. Checked. Something. Options multiple. Okay. So we need ID. ID is technologies. Technologies. Name is also technologies. Is value is at selected technologies. And when we have the options, we have the field. We don't need the field. Do we need the form for? When will this work? No route path for new technology. Oh, I suppose we just found those. Oh no, it's just this. Suppose here didn't have this. 222 admin technologies show admin technologies define slot actions form component actions core components simple form, but let's oh it's here. Index organization live show. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Define variable description. Description. Suppose we can just do this. No reply. Socket for now. Socket. Okay. So now let's not here. Let's have a look. We get event select technology. I suppose we're not showing this from ID. Required attribute 4. Okay, let's create the form then. Form components gonna be suggest live. Let's create the form. Fine. It's a send form. Send form. Mount. Form is simply form. Sign form. Form. At form. Suppose then we don't need this. You can just do field at form technologies. Track groups. Technologies form. What's this? Technologies. Oh, yes. Sorry. Okay. So suppose when it's just a simple matter of PHP validate, update, change technologies. Oh, it's okay. So why does this not show up? Active technology. Oh, we have technologies as options, but we need actually to have that as a upload, right? This one, right? Hash read technology, hash read technology, hash read, and then hash sort by name. Key not found, ID not found. Yes, so we can't have these anymore. Defined attribute. So just live 52. What's this? Parse for of live. Oh. Much nicer. Right. Okay, so if I do div men grab y in v0 mx auto div. Oh, let's have a look at this. UL input hidden like this. This is max auto, but it's v min v max. Yeah, don't need to be any longer than you need to be. Yeah, nice. Max auto. We can do things. We can we can add another thing, which is a reset. Oh, we need to add another option, and then that's actually very good. Then capture. Let's do all technologies. Don't need this one. Technology D. All technologies, and that's just gonna be nil. And concatenate with 1. Binary act. Oh, it's like plus plus, right? Plus plus. Can I not just maybe this at tail? How do I? Let's do. start of the list in Elixir. In Elixir. That should be working, right? Yes, is it not what I'm doing? It's exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so what's the problem? Assign organization. Because assign organization doesn't find it anymore. So we need to have assign organization. Assign organization. This is gonna be form. Form. And then form. Then it's nil. Form. I think let's just do this one. Let's just do this one. We can leave this one for now. Back to like this. And inspect form. So form will have the form source params, source params, source data, name, organization, hidden action. Let's quickly see what happens here. Okay, so form params, technologies on. Well, that's on. Oh, okay. On. Suppose value nil. So value should be empty. Because it's empty on here. Remove technology, assign technology, form. So just live. What do we do? Form. Suppose form validate. Form is validate. But set the errors. We need to always set the errors to assign form. So this is doing it right. Yeah, it's just creates the form and assigns the form. Form, assign, form, and we do assign technologies. Okay. Params. Oh, we need this. Just params will do. And inspect form. Suppose I'm now doing it twice. Let's just... Okay, let's clean this up and do this. Can I just set the values?